Today I will discuss about Microsoft Windows 10. So what is an operating system? Operating system is a software that enables a computer to understand the computer components and the commands that are given by the user. There are many operating systems that are used by the user, and the most popular and commonly used operating systems are Windows 10, Mac operating system and Linux operating system. Microsoft Windows 10. In 1994, Microsoft first introduced an operating environment named Windows in response to the growing interest in graphical user interface or GUIs. So, what is GUI? GUI is a visual way of interacting with a computer using items such as windows, icons, and menus used by most modern operating systems. So I will identify how a Windows startup. When we switch on the computer, we see the Windows 10 startup screen. The loading wheel indicates that window is preparing the startup sequence or booting process. And then the first thing it shows is the user account or the login screen. Then we select the user account and type the password. We need to press the enter key or the arrow sign to log on. We can then see the welcome screen and our personal settings are being set up. This means the window is updating the desktop wallpaper, color schemes, and the desktop arrangement as we left it last item. Now recognize the Windows startup list. The startup list contains a list of apps or programs that need to be started before the desktop appears. And the following are the examples of startup apps. For example, antivirus program, printers program, Microsoft Office, etc. Now recognize the MS Windows desktop area and its features. When we switch on the computer, the screen that appears first after loading Windows operating system is called the desktop screen. The now recognize the Microsoft Windows desktop and its features. When we switch on the computer, the screen that appears first after loading Windows operating system is called desktop screen or simply desktop. It is the working area on which objects like icons, menus, windows and dialog boxes appears. The desktop is made up of five sections. Desktop icons, the middle taskbar, start button, notification area, and active taskbar. First of all, I will discuss start button. It is displayed at the bottom left of the desktop. It is used to display apps or programs, open apps programs, change the settings, shut down the computer, display notification area. Then, what is notification area? It aims at managing programs that don't normally need launching manually. These types of programs have usually launched themselves already during the start of Windows. These programs include antivirus, Wi Fi, and printer. Then selecting, deselecting and moving the icons. To select an icon, click on it once and you will see that its color changes to blue. This shows that the icon is selected. To deselect the icon, click anywhere else on the screen and it will be deselected. And to move an icon, take the cursor to that icon, click on it when left mouse button. To move an icon, take the cursor to that icon, click on it with left mouse button and drag where you want to place it. Then release the left mouse button. The item will be replaced to another location. Now I will discuss how to change MS Windows desktop background as screensaver. The desktop background is a wallpaper, picture, color or design on the screen, on the background screen. To change the desktop background, right click anywhere on the screen. A drop down menu will appear and select Personalize option. A dialog box will appear. Click on the background option and choose the picture and click on it. The picture will appear on the desktop screen as background image. The most common types of icons on a desktop are user account, network, MS Edge, this PC, and recycle bin.